Top 3 design features of the ideal home office. It can be difficult to be productive when you have to work from home. Although you may not realize it, your workspace may be designed poorly for its purpose, thus impeding you from being able to work. Below are 3 design features that you should include in a home office to make it ideal. 1. Natural light. Although artificial light is great for lighting a room that doesn't get enough natural light, sunlight is key to keeping you alert, awake, and focused during the workday. It would help if you kept this in mind as you are planning your home office, as this factor alone can cause you to choose a different location than what you originally had in mind. Besides just including natural light in your office, you will also want to plan where it will hit. Otherwise, you may find yourself unable to see your computer screen during some parts of the day. 2. A desk. As much fun as it can sound to work from your laptop on the couch, an ideal home office must have a desk. This is because you can't effectively work unless you have a place in your home designated for work. And don't cheap out on this desk either. Find one that you like, is comfortable, and the right height for you so that you can sit straight and extend your arms comfortably. If you find that sitting all day is hard for you, consider getting a standing desk or one that will work with an exercise ball as a chair to feel more comfortable when you work. 3. Organization. A key feature of every ideal home office is to have a form of organization. If your job requires a lot of documents, then consider adding a file cabinet. If you have many odds and ends for work that aren't paper, consider getting a shelf and boxes you can label with their contents. This will keep your mind from becoming distracted by clutter and make it easy to find things when you need them, both of which will help you work more effectively in the long run. So when it comes to design your ideal home office space, keep these 3 design features in mind. If you can create an office space with natural light, a desk, and an organizational system, you will be surprised at how effectively you can work, even if it is from home.